welcome back to another video. This one's just going to be a quick one because I've already done most of the work. I had a bit of problems with my trailer. I've had the trailer since 2017. One of the tyres constantly going flat and the others were alright up until recently. Basically what's happened is the valve stems have perished, so air's constantly leaking out of them. So all I've really got to do is put new valve stems in the tyres or in the wheels, and that'll fix the problem of them going down all the time. But to take them to a tyre shop just to change the valve stems, they were going to charge me anywhere between $20 to $40 per wheel just to do these. So I went down to the local steel shop, spent 20 bucks on some bit of offcuts, and I've come up with my own manual bead breaker. This is one part of it. This is the part that goes onto the wheel, and this part onto a bar. This is the lever bar, and basically how it works is it just attaches to the tow hitch on my car. I've just got a normal tow hitch and I've just turned it on its side, taken the ball out so I can use the ball mounting hole as a pivot point, use the original hitch pin, put it through there, grab this bit, mount that in there, and basically there's the manual bead breaker. I've already tried it on one on the spare trailer wheel because I've got to do all five. It's a tandem trailer or tandem axle trailer, so 4 wheels plus a spare makes 5. I've already tried it out on one and worked pretty well, with the exception of once I started breaking the bead I had to use a bit of soapy water just to get the bead to slip off properly, but I'll show you briefly how I done it. Alright, there we go, got the bead broken. I will admit it's not easy to break the bead. I might have to get a bar to slip over the top of this to extend it to give me more leverage. I'm not the heaviest person in the world, I'm only 72, 73 kilos, so it does take a bit to actually pop the bead off, but I get the job done. So in a pinch, maybe out camping or something like that, if you blow a tyre and you don't have a spare and you can throw a tube in it or something like that, this will probably get you out of trouble. And definitely a bit of soapy water around the bead to help it slip off, and when I go to put the new valve stem in, a bit more soapy water to help reseat the bead. But there you go. So I'll swap over the valve stem now and pump it up, and she's good. There we have it. New valve stem in the tyre, all good. Only 3 more to go.